Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple stir-fried vegetable, cauliflower with carrot. This portion is for 2 serving. I have half of the cauliflower, about 200 gram, 1 small piece of carrot, 1 tablespoon of goji berry, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, a few dashes of ground white pepper, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, and I'll be using some water. So this stir-fry vegetable is pretty simple. So I'm going to start off with cutting the vegetable first, then we can go ahead and fry it. Alright, we have vegetable cut and I'm going to quickly wash it. Next, we're going to mix all the sauces first. So I'm going to put in all the sauce here, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and pepper. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of water and mix it. Okay, sauce is done. I'm going to put it aside, and now I'm going to mix the tapioca flour with water. So I'm just going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of water. Put in the tapioca flour. We just want to use this flour mix to thicken the sauce, the gravy for the vegetable. If you don't like to have this one, you can omit this step or this flour mix. Okay, this is done. Now we can go and fry the vegetable. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Oil is getting hot. I'm going to put in the garlic. We're going to fry the garlic first until it becomes light brown and fragrant. Garlic is brown and nice fragrance. I'm going to switch off the heat and remove some of them from the pan first. I just left a little bit of the garlic in there, and I'm going to start frying the vegetable now. I'm going to put in the carrot first because carrot they are take quite some time to cook. Because the carrot they take longer time to cook than the cauliflower. Just going to leave it in the pan for about 30 seconds. Carrot looks okay now, and I'm going to put in the cauliflower. The pan getting dry, I'm going to add in about half a cup of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer until the cauliflower is cooked. Depending on your preference, if you like it soft, you can cook it longer, but if you like it to be crunchy, you can cook around 2 minutes. See, if the cauliflower is still hot, we can continue to cook it. So at this time, I'm going to put in the sauce that we have mixed it just now. Just pour over. And the goji berry, I just wash it. Let's put it in. So I'm going to cover the lid and continue to cook. The vegetable is cooked already, and now I can taste it. Very nice. It's very sweet. Carrot and cauliflower mixed together plus the goji berry, it makes the dish very sweet. So that's it, and enough flavor, enough taste. And last, I'm going to put in the flour mix. If you don't want to put the flour mix, then you may need to reduce the water, because we don't want to have the vegetable with a lot of water. So if thicken the gravy already, then it's very nice to eat with rice. And switch off the heat. Last, I'm going to put in the garlic that we fried just now. Very simple stir-fry vegetable. Wow, very delicious. It's flavorful and it has a very nice aroma of the cauliflower and the fragrance of the fried garlic. All these ingredients can really go very well together and can make this dish become very delicious, lovely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye-bye.